So I read this book called The Psychology of Money, and I'm going to give you my biggest takeaways in this book. Did you know that 65% of all Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Now, now there may be a whole host of reasons why. Some people say that they don't make enough money. Very valid concern. Some people blame inflation. Right now, eggs for a dozen of eggs is $9. That's absurd, by the way. Some people say that they have too much debt. And some people just don't know how to save money, or they allow their family and friends to take money from them because they don't know how to say no. A very valid concern. So here's another little story I want to tell you about, which is something that you can do to help you understand money better. Or it can help you have a better strategy on how to approach money. In the 1970s, there was an oil crisis that happened, whereby a gallon of gas costs you $11 a gallon, which is absurd. Even then, typically a gallon of gas was $2 a gallon. So it went from $2 to $11 per gallon. What did Americans do? Well, we became less energy reliant on energy. So we built more energy efficient homes, factories, and cars. So we needed less oil to produce and to make these things, which means that we spent less money on those things. So we were able to save more money. Also, we were able to increase our energy output for oil, meaning that we went around the United States, we saw where we had lots of reserves of oil, and we were able to export this oil up to 65% more than what we had done. So we were able to do two things. We decreased our oil reliance and we increased our oil production. So when you think about how that relates to money, it's about decreasing the amount you spend and figuring out a way to increase the amount of money you make. This is the way to think about money. Because when you think about oil, it's not stable. I mean, people can spend millions of dollars trying to find a place where oil exists, but that's very uncertain. The only thing that is certain is the amount of money that you save. That money gives you confidence to live a worry-free life. Number one, why is money important? Well, it gives you the freedom to be able to live the life you want to live. Now, what is this freedom? Freedom is having the ability to quit your job if you want to quit your job. Having the ability to change careers if you want to do that. Or simply just by retiring when you want to retire. See, when you don't have any money saved, you're always worrying about how you're going to make more money. Your lifestyle isn't pleasant because you can't quit your job, because you're living paycheck to paycheck. You want to have the freedom to live life on your own terms. This is the purpose of understanding money. Money is a tool to be used to help you live better. Just imagine if you want to pick up and quit your job, or if you want to change careers, or if you simply want to retire early. If you have no money saved, you can't do any of that. You will forever work for that company. You never want to be old and don't have any money coming in. That is not the way to live a life. And also, what if you just want to go to Africa or go to another country and just simply live? You can't do that because you have no money saved. This is the purpose of saving money. The number one thing you can do is to increase your savings rate. Just imagine if I'm making 8% on an investment and you're making 12% on an investment. For me, I save over 50% of my money. You, on the other hand, you spend money as your lifestyle grows. Who do you think is getting a better benefit from their money? I am, because I save more money. I'm more efficient with my money. Therefore, I have a better peace of mind with my money, even though your return on investment is higher than mine. Understand that sometimes saving money is just purposeless. What I mean by that is you don't have to save money for a purpose, such as buying a car, buying a house, or whatever you think you want to save money for. You're saving money to have money to allow you to have the freedom to live the life you want to live when you choose to do so. This is the purpose of saving money. So, what's the biggest takeaway from this book? It is save money, increase your savings rate, and if you don't make enough money, get a job that's going to be able to help you increase your income, so therefore you can save more money. Get a better job position, become a manager, become a CEO, become a boss, whatever you got to do to make more money. Once you start making more money, you save more money. You save. And so what I like to do is the money that I save, I'll put a portion of that money into index funds. Just by doing that, that's going to help me to grow my money. But we'll save that for another video. And on that note, saving money gives you confidence that you think you never had before. Watch my other video here. Until the next time, take care.